Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss regarding to Azure DDoS protection plan. So in this I will deploy and configure the DDoS protection plan and enable with the virtual network. Then I will show you about its SKUs like standard or basic. But in this lab I will deploy standard protection plan and then I will show you about different prices according to the region. And now we will go to Azure portal and start deploying. So this is my resource group, and under this resource group I have a virtual network called DDoS, and I will attach this virtual network with the DDoS plan. So first I need to create or deploy the DDoS protection plan. So in the search bar type DDoS and you can see the DDoS protection plan. So click on this, then click on the create button, and then you can select your subscription. On resource group I already have DDoS resource groups, and you can define the name DDoS, and you can select the region. So I will go with the central India, or you can just go to central US. So both are okay. I will go with the central India because my VNet is in the central India. So the next, just click on the review and create, and then it takes not so much time for creation of this DDoS protection plan, so it will be quick. So it's already enabled, sorry, deployed. So let's go to this. So basically this is a whole DDoS protection plan overview page. So you can see over here what are the configurations things, and you can go to the properties to see the DDoS is like under the subscription, which subscription or not. Then you can go to protect resources, like which resources are attached to this DDoS protection plan. But right now I don't have any, and but there are like multiple things. If you have like DDoS attached to your firewall application gateway, so you can attach, or you can attach virtual network gateway as well, or VNet. So in this lab I will just show you about VNet. So the other configurations are same if you will have other resources. So just click on the add and select your subscription, then VNet. So basically I have one VNet, so it normally asks which VNet you want to attach. So you can choose the VNet, and it will attach the DDoS protection plan with this specific VNet. So click on refresh, then you can see this is the VNet which is attached to this DDoS protection plan. If you will click on this, you will go back to your VNet to see, and then over here under the capabilities you can see that this is marked as checked because this VNet is attached to this DDoS protection plan. If you have Azure firewall or some pairing or some gateway, it also appears here and marked as checked, but you can see it's not configured because we only have one VNet under the resource group, and that is now attached with the DDoS protection plan. So we can click on this, we can go back to that uh, DDoS protection plan, and under settings DDoS protection we can find out we are using standard or not. So right now we are using standard and it's enable. If we disable it, so we will by default use the basic one, but in the basic one you will not be charged. So that's like attached to all resources of Azure by default, but standard one you must have to enable it. Then you can select like options, or you can create. So you can find out under this like this is attached to standard or basic, and Apart from this, you can go to overview to see the VNet overview. And let's go back to DDoS resource. So you can see the DDoS resource is like this: DDoS protection plan, and it's in central India. So now we will go to this DDoS protection plan again, and over here we have like options: add, manage protected resources, or telemetry reporting. Like telemetry, you can see the matrix, inbound, outbound, and flow of IP addresses. Like you can find out over here. Plus you can create the alerts for notification. So we can click on the view telemetry, and you can see this telemetry goes to matrix. So under this is monitoring. So I already have a tutorial about monitoring and how to create alerts, and we can see the things. So you can find out the video, and I will also share the video with my description, so you can find out the options which you want over here. But right now I don't have any many resources or public IPs, so it's not showing anything. But you can see the overview over this matrix, and also you can go to new alerts over here and set up the alerts. So basically this is a small tutorial about standard DDoS protection plan. And apart from that, as I mentioned, I have like a difference of basic and standard protection plan. So you can see, like, on under DDoS basic, by default it's attached to every resource. So basically only two options, that is active monitoring and always on detection, and automatic attack mitigation. Apart from that, like other things, alerts or other like mitigation plans, how to tackle out the DDoS brute force attacks, all are under standard protection plan. So this is like a difference. As you can see, most of the things are under standard, because Microsoft is, you know, also a company who wants to get some money from you, because they are giving you products. And apart from this, I will show you about the prices. According to my experience in the networking side, the most expensive product in Azure portal, or you can say networking, Azure networking products, DDoS standard plan is the most expensive one, and it's around 3000 US dollars per month. And that's the most expensive one, so keep this in mind. So here is the chart. You can find out by going to this link, and you can select the region and everything. For example, like select India for this Central India region, and currency I will show you in US dollars. So you can see that almost 3000 per month. So this thing you should be considered. And I will go to UAE, then almost same price you can find out in this one. So just keep in mind that it's a quite expensive one, but if you are deploying a large and safe environment, then you must use this DDoS protection plan for your safety and safety of the organization. So in this tutorial I just wanted to show you about this. Hope you guys understand like how we can use this and how we can deploy it and how we can use the budget accordingly. So I will come with a new video in my next tutorial. So till then, bye bye.